Good day, my future employer. I'm Jolie Corpus. I live in Linao East, Tuguegarao City from Philippines. I'm happily married with 3 children, ages 18, 17, and 13. I finished my 2-year course in computer science and technology. I have a work experience in Kuwait for 2 years, finished contract. I took care 2 years old boy. I also have experience in Turkey for 4 years, finished contract with one family. I took care 4 years old and 9 years old. As a nanny, the duties and responsibilities is to taking care of them. Because most of the time, the parents are not around and working. I'm helping them waking up every morning, preparing the food and feed them as well, taking from the shower, preparing their uniforms, and drop and picking up from school. We also go in the park and do some activities. I also help them to define colors, numbers, and letters. And I also helping them to do their assignments. If you hired me, ma'am, I will fulfill my duties and responsibilities as nanny. I will finish my contract as long as you need me. Please, ma'am, if you hired me, I will trustworthy, patient, hardworking, and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless. Hope we will see you soon.